Hi, hello and namaskaram. At another video of Fine Dining Indian, myself Bobby Geetha. We're bringing you a nice sardine curry. So it's a fresh sardine. Sardine has a lot of bones, but it's amazing omega-3 rich fish and one of the biggest catch in the world. It's abundant and it's one of the most sustainable fish. So I support these kind of earth-friendly movements. So try this fish curry. It's easy to make. It's done in one pan. And okay, the tempering I done in a smaller ones, but it is easy to make. Everything can be done in one pan if you want to do it at home. So first we made a coconut milk based curry. Slowly cook it with fish to half done, and then I did the tempering and then put it on top of the fish and then finish the rest of the cooking. It was amazing. Very nice oily fish, nice flavor. Don't overcook the fish. A nice fish of this size need only 2 minutes on one side and 2 minutes on the other side. Just watch the video, enjoy cooking. Thank you. That's a sardine curry. We adding coconut milk powder. Measurement you can watch our recipe, read from below. Turmeric, stock powder, chili powder, salt, water, keep it thick, not too watery also. Yeah, that's ready. Now give it a boil and then reduce it slowly while it's simmering. Mix it and you get to reduce 3/4 of the liquid you started with. Now add in all the fish and then I'll just simmer it for 3 to 4 minutes and then let it cook on the heat and put it on the side. We don't overcook the fish. So to finish the fish curry, we need a tempering. So I start with coconut oil, let it heat up, and now adding Asafoetida or hing, then Fenugreek seeds, round red chilies, ginger julienne that is cut into thin. Now add garlic juliennes or cut in slices. Saute till light golden brown color. Add sliced onions, preferably Indian onions. Now add salt, that will help to cook the onions faster. Saute till the onion is soft and translucent. So once the onion is light golden brown, add green chilies, curry leaves, saute for a minute. Now add in tomato cut into quarters. So now mix the tempering back into the fish sauce. The fish is already cooked. So now put the tempering. Just slightly mix the pan. Just move the pan. Don't break the fish. Just bring it back to simmer for a minute and then leave it on the side. Let it infuse the flavors and ready to serve. Okay, now it's time to plate and serve it. Place of fish on the bowl. Just check with the spoon it's cooked. Yeah, once it's easily flakeable, it's done. Now place everything into the bowl. If the bowl is dirty, wipe the sides. Place the tomatoes, green chilies, the red chilies, curry leaf on the top. It looks colorful. I can just smell the flavors. It's amazing. Especially the sardine makes it so unique and tasty. Alright, thank you for cooking the sardine curry with us. Hope you enjoyed it. It's a simple dish, simple recipe, but you will love it. And this fish could be replaced with any other. It could be an anchovy, a smaller one. It could be a mackerel. It could be a kingfish without bone if you like to have in that way. So the best way, don't cook the fish too much. So if it's a curry, bring the curry to a boil, bring it down to simmer, put your fish, let it be there for 1 or 2 minutes. Remove it from the pot and then leave it on the side. The fish will carry on cooking and it will be juicy. Don't overcook the fish. We, Indian and in household of Kerala or any South Indian home, when we cook the fish, we just overcook it. Don't do it. Enjoy the fish flavor. We have to appreciate what is natural giving us and try to enjoy it as much as possible. So learn how we cook the fish rightly. Thank you.